This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Features include a navigation system, alloy wheels, cruise control, air conditioning, full power accessories, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Young Chevrolet for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit us at youngchevrolet.com. Give us a call or stop by our dealership on East Interstate 30 at the Buckner exit, only 9 miles east of downtown Dallas.